Independently tested and verified by Intertek, ETL. Exceeds all industry standards for performance and mechanical requirements. Easy termination and installation. Available in 14 colors. Compatible with all Leviton QuickPort housings. Top reviews from the United States. So easy even a caveman can use it. Using these in my media panel to convert my phone lines over to Ethernet, Cat5e cabling. They print both wiring schemes A and B on the side to make it dirt simple to wire up properly. All you have to do is make sure your network uses the same scheme throughout and you'll be okay. I use Leviton wall plugs as well, which makes the installation even simpler since it uses the same lead color labeling scheme, so once you pick one wiring scheme, A or B, it's easy to stay consistent throughout the network. After you are done snapping in the leads using the provided tool, you just cut off the excess wire and snap the black cover over it. Since this is just a snap-in quick connector, don't expect it to be strong enough to be used in an environment where the cable is moving around a lot, since there is no retention built in.